Hey guys, welcome back to Tunes. Today we are continuing with character formatting in MS Word. Let's start. How often have you faced you're typing something and later on you realized, oh, I need this in a sentence case. This happens to me multiple of times and didn't know how to change the case. Let's change the case for the sentence that I have just mistakenly created in caps lock. For this, every time if you want to change anything in MS Word, you have to select. So let's select the word sentence that I want to change. And if you are in any other tab, you just have to click Home menu tab, go to the change case ribbon. So for the change case, whenever you hover on to change case, you can see this one is in capital A and small a. So you can click this and change in your desired case. So since I need this in sentence case, so sentence case especially is it will just keep your first letter capital and then everything in small. But let's say if you'd like to have those everything in lowercase, then you can change in lowercase as well. There are different types of case you can select on the change case system. So you can change like each word in the capital. Uh, let's say I would like to change capital each word. As you can see here, like each of the capital is changed. Next, let's talk about alignment. Especially in case of heading, alignment are in different places. Let's say I would like to align this heading in center. So as I said earlier, for every changes in Word, we have to select what we would like to make the changes. So since I'm making the changes in heading, I have selected the heading part, and this is the ribbon for the alignment. So as you can see here, this is under home tab. So whenever I click home tab, it will appear this section of the ribbon. So these are the ribbon for the alignment. So as I go and hover on this one, it says alignment left. This is center text alignment. This is about right alignment, and this is justified. Let's see how it works. So since I need this one in the center, I'll just click for the center text. And as you can see here, this heading comes in the center. Let's say I would like to align this heading on the right side. Then in that case, I'll just select it and click the right, align right, and it will align you on the right side. Every command has its own shortcut key through the keyboard, which is something that I will bring on the next coming video series. At the moment, there is one more alignment remaining, which is justified alignment. So what justified alignment does is it aligns your whole paragraph from both left side and the right side. As of now, this paragraph is on left alignment. As you can see, it's aligned properly in the left, whereas on the right, it's not aligned properly. So if let's say if I would like to have it center aligned, then in that case, this is how the center alignment looks like. And let's say if you'd like to have right aligned, but I don't care about the left, then in that case, this is how it looks. As you can see here, it is aligned properly on the right. And if I would like to align all the paragraph, both left side and the right side, then that is what the justified takes place. So if I click the justified section, as you can see here, it is aligned from the left as well as from the right side. Let's talk about adding a symbol. So adding a symbol while typing text is also a challenge for the beginner. Let's say I'm writing about my company. So let's say I'm writing copyright 2020 you change. So as you can see here, like I don't have any copyright symbol in the keyboard. So this sort of problem always will be there. So how to add symbol while typing text is you just have to go insert, you click insert menu tab, and then on your right hand side you can see advanced symbol. So what happens when you click advanced symbol is it will just give you a list of symbols that you can add. As you can see here, at the rate and greater than, equals, hash, dollar, a lot of sign out there. But if you'd like to have a special character, then you can see here. So since I need copyright, I'll just select this and insert and close. As you can see here, so copyright C 2020 U-Chains. So even wherever within the text, if you would like to add a symbol, let's say I would like to add a dollar sign in front of U-Chains, then you just have to click insert, advanced symbol. You just have to go to symbols and see where the dollar sign is. Since the dollar sign is here, I will just hit enter and close it. As you can see here, my name is $UChains. Hey guys, if I miss anything, please feel free and comment down below so I can learn from you. Please like, subscribe, and keep loving UChains. See you in the next video.